For decades, we were taught that this should be a foundation of our diet, and this should be limited. But recently, US nutrition guidance flipped that idea. This change didn't happen randomly. Over the last few decades, rates of obesity, diabetes, and metabolic disease continued to rise, even though people followed unofficial nutritional advice. More research began pointing to added sugars and ultra-processed foods as major drivers of poor health, not natural fats and proteins. That's an important shift. But it's also important to say this clearly. There is no single perfect diet for everyone. Children, adults, pregnant women, athletes, recovering patients, all those people have different nutritional needs. Any food pyramid, old or new, should be treated as guideline, not a strict rule. So I'm curious, do you think this shift is a progress or another nutrition trend? Please let me know what you think in comments below.